Very, very clean. CUDA. Man. It's nice. What y'all think about it, gang? It's your ride, my friend. Alright, it looks very good. You trying to sell it?
I am.
Okay. Alright, this guy saying this car is for sale. It's for sale. I get this information and I post it. Absolutely, here in Atlanta. And it's for sale. Tell me a little bit about the car, if you don't mind. This is you bought it original or?
No, I've had it for 20 years.
Wow.
It's low miles, original Survivor that I took apart.
Okay.
Repainted, just did basically a Concord show, detail to it, and just took all the original parts and put back on.
Oh my goodness, man. There it is. There it is. How much you asking for it, sir?
120,000.
120, guys. 120. 120. It's yours. Again, I'll get this information. Email, phone numbers if you want to give it out, and I'll post it on the page. 120. Very nice car. Very nice car. 1973? 70. 1970. Took it all the way down, restored it.
And please pass the word that in April we go to the second Sunday.